I'm going to show you what else was in those 4 boxes. I will start with the red toy box, which is the one that caught my attention because that was the only one I thought was part of the lot when I was actually at the auction. And this is it. So you see this red box on the top? That's what I saw. It's very dusty, as is most things we pick up from the auction. As you know, we're very clumsy in our videos, so I'm being very careful. This was another great sale. This sold for £175, which is £152.15 after eBay fees. So that, I mean, I did aim higher. I think I started at 360, but for £175, I'm happy with that.